All right, box 8, here it is. Put a picture in place of my name. Well, let's convert my name from a text file to a picture file. How? Right click, rasterize. Now it's an image, no longer a text. I can now go to Edit Free Transform. Make it a bit bigger. And say yes. And now I have to go find an image. So I'm just going to go to File, Open. I'm going to open one from that I used earlier. I like it. And I'm just going to grab a portion of this picture. So I'm going to take the little square marquee tool, pick a chunk of it. I'm going to go to Edit, Copy, switch back to my text picture and go Edit, Paste. Okay. So I'm going to move this on top of my text. And then over here's my little layers bin. Here's my text layer. It says my name. It's my face layer. I'm going to bring my text above my face. I grab the text, drag it above, drop it. Take my picture, put it about where I want it. And I'm going to select. This here was from cookie dough. I want to cut the O, the P, the S, the A, the H, the L out of the cookie dough. I need to use a magic wand tool. I'm going to select that part of the letter. What happened? I'm on the wrong layer. I have to go to, where's it at here? Deselect. Pick the right layer. Now try it. There we go. Hold the shift button down to grab the next. Keep holding the shift. Simplify your letters. You mix up, just try it again. No worries. Kind of hard to see. Should zoom in closer, but I didn't. So pick, 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 pick. Okay, now the weird part. I have my letters picked. I want to remove everything outside the letters from my background image. So I pick my letters. I want to go to invert selection. That means I pick the letter, I want to invert it so everything but the letters is picked. I want to go to my face picture, which is right here, push the delete button, hit on, right? I'll come back here and I'll turn this one off. And then I will go to Image, Edit, Deselect, and there is my picture as my letters. This might need some kind of an outer glow or a shadow or something to make it a little more pop. That's how it's done. That's box 8.